Master the plank hip dip, ignite your core. We all crave that feeling of strength, that sense of power that comes from within. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable, capable of taking on any challenge that comes your way. When you feel strong, you exude confidence and positivity in every aspect of your life. You don't need fancy equipment or complicated routines. The beauty of fitness lies in its simplicity. With just a small space and your own body weight, you can achieve incredible results. It's all about consistency and the right exercises. Your path to a stronger you starts with a single step: mastering your core. The core is the foundation of your strength, stability, and overall fitness. By focusing on your core, you build a solid base that supports all your movements, and that's where the plank hip dip comes in. This exercise targets your obliques, abs, and lower back, providing a comprehensive core workout. It's a dynamic move that challenges your balance and engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This simple yet powerful exercise can transform your core strength and unlock a world of benefits for your body and mind. Improved posture, better balance, and enhanced athletic performance are just a few of the rewards you'll reap. Are you ready to ignite your core and embrace a healthier, more powerful you? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the steps to mastering the plank hip dip and unlocking your full potential. Get ready to feel the burn and see the results. Imagine holding a strong plank, your body a straight line from head to toe. This is the foundation of the plank hip dip exercise. Now, picture this. You gently rotate your hips, dipping them from side to side, almost grazing the ground. This movement engages your obliques and adds a dynamic twist to the traditional plank. That's the plank hip dip. It's a fantastic way to target your core muscles, especially the sides of your abdomen. Start by holding a high plank position with your arms shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Ensure your hands are directly under your shoulders for proper alignment. Now, engage your core and slowly dip your hips to one side. This controlled movement is key to maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. Hold for a beat, feeling the contraction in your obliques, the muscles running along the sides of your torso. Then return to the center and repeat on the other side. It's that simple. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining a steady pace and proper form. It's better to perform fewer repetitions with perfect form than to rush through the exercise. Consistency and precision will yield the best results over time. Incorporate plank hip dips into your regular workout routine to build a stronger, more defined core. Happy planking! Why is core strength so crucial? Your core is your body's powerhouse, supporting your every move. A strong core improves your posture, balance, and stability, making everyday activities easier. Plank hip dips, in particular, target your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen, sculpting your waistline and enhancing your athletic performance. But it's not just about physical strength. A strong core also reduces the risk of injuries, improves your digestion, and even boosts your confidence. Section 4. Stay motivated, stay consistent. Consistency is key. It's not just about starting strong, but about maintaining that momentum over time. The journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Make exercise a habit, a non-negotiable part of your day. Just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee, let exercise become a routine that you look forward to. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration and intensity. It's okay to begin small. The important thing is to start and keep going no matter how little it seems at first. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or any other form of movement that makes you happy. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you are to stick with it, or simply taking a brisk walk, and make it a part of your routine. Walking is a great way to stay active and can be done almost anywhere. Remember, fitness is not a punishment, it's a celebration of what your body can do. Embrace the strength and energy that comes with regular exercise, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Progress takes time. There will be days when you feel like you haven't achieved much, but every step forward is a step towards your goal. Embrace the journey and celebrate every small victory along the way. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication and hard work. Keep pushing forward and enjoy the process. Section 5. Embrace the journey to a stronger you. You have the power to transform your life, one plank hip dip at a time. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Your future self will thank you. Now I want to hear from you. What video or article would help you on your fitness journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Remember, A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today.